Which among the following defines coconut water from a tender coconut? Coconut water is a clear liquid found inside the fruit of a coconut, and it is produced in the endosperm of the coconut, specifically during the early stages of fruit development. So that means the correct answer is option C, free nuclear endosperm. The free nuclear endosperm refers to the stage in the development of coconut seed where the endosperm, that is a tissue that nourishes the embryo, is in the form of a liquid. That means it is a liquid form, liquid endosperm, and it is not yet fully cellularized. So this stage occurs before the endosperm becomes solidified into the white flesh of the coconut. So the answer is option C. Option A, degenerated nucellus. Nucellus is a part of the ovule that gives rise to the embryo sac, and it is not directly related to the coconut water. B, immature embryo. The embryo develops later after fertilization, and coconut water is not made from the embryo. Option D, innermost layers of the seed coat. The innermost layers of the seed coat form the protective covering around the seed and are not related to the production of coconut water. So option D is also incorrect. The correct answer is option C.